Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will explore Amazon in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 2nd of June, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has designated Amazon as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.69. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced an increase of 0.94%. This equates to an average daily return of 0.24% since its classification as a buy candidate. The stock currently resides in the upper section of a very broad and weak rising trend in the short term. This situation may present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower section of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout at the upper trend line at $212.35 will initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 2.29% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 16.10% to positive 5.11%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month forecast indicates an anticipated change of 11.22%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 8.37% and positive 34.70% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $189.36 and $278.35. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Amazon Stock Price After Monday Trading. The Amazon stock price increased by 0.8% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, rising from $205.01 to $206.65. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.12%, with a low of $202.68 and a high of $206.97. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has shown a slight gain of 0.52%. Volume decreased on the last day by 22 million shares, with a total of 29 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $5.91 billion. It is important to note that declining volume amidst rising prices can indicate a divergence, which may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the upcoming days. In the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $242.52, while the lowest was $151.61. Currently, the price is 14.79% or $35.87, below the 52-week high and 84.17% or $1,098.55, below the all-time high recorded on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,305.20. Amazon continues to make significant strides in artificial intelligence, with AWS CEO Matt Garman emphasizing that AI is now being leveraged across all facets of the company. This commitment positions Amazon to enhance efficiency and potentially improve its competitive stance in the marketplace. Furthermore, recent projections from Bank of America indicate that Amazon's growing investment in robotics could yield annual savings of up to $16 billion by the year 2032, boosting long-term retail margins. This is a strong signal that Amazon is not only focusing on cost efficiency, but is also setting a foundation for sustained profitability. However, Amazon faces regulatory challenges, specifically in Germany, where the competition watchdog has raised concerns about the company's pricing mechanisms, potentially violating antitrust laws. This scrutiny could impact how Amazon operates in Europe, leading to demands for alterations in business practices. If regulatory actions are enforced, they may affect short-term stock performance as investors react to potential fines or operational constraints. Despite these challenges, analysts remain optimistic, with Bank of America recently increasing its price target for Amazon stock from $230 to $248, driven by optimism surrounding its advancements in AI and robotics. Overall, while regulatory hurdles may create headwinds in the short term, the long-term outlook appears strong, supported by innovative investments and a favorable economic environment. This dual impact could create volatility, but also offers substantial growth prospects for Amazon in the years ahead. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned AMZN a buy rating along with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that JMP Securities also gave AMZN a market outperform rating with a hold action. Furthermore, on Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, Tigris Financial rated AMZN with a buy and a hold action. Earlier, on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald rated AMZN with a hold and a hold action. On the same day, Goldman Sachs rated AMZN as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. There are mixed signals regarding the stock today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, and so far, it has decreased by approximately 2.23%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. On a positive note, the Amazon stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing an optimistic forecast for the stock. There is also a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, some support will be found at the levels of $204.60 and $193.13. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. It's worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day despite a rise in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 14 days ago. The Bollinger Bands presented a buy signal 14 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average revealed a buy signal 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 22 days ago. If we analyze the chart over the past 12 months, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 28 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal just 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 58 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $191.10 and $175.26. There is a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this instance, Amazon finds support just below today's level at $191.10. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $175.26 and $171. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with a good trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.29 between its high and low, which is 2.12%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.05%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This ratio is considered relatively normal, often observed in companies with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.34. Keep a close watch on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $208.36. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon faces its first support level at $191.10. If this support level remains intact, it could present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades involve Harrington Douglas J., who bought and sold 23,950 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 67.701. In total, insiders acquired 243,235 shares and disposed of 1,306,102 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $198.65, representing a decline of 3.87%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A sell signal has been triggered from a pivot top identified 13 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Several short-term signals coupled with an overall positive trend suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Amazon stock to perform well in the near future. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 3rd of June, we anticipate that Amazon will open lower by $1.22, starting at $205.43. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.